Has this ever happened to you? You're happily swimming, life is good, and then you get a sharp pain on one side of your body. Sometimes it is so uncomfortable that you need to stop swimming. Here's why that happens and some tips to reduce the odds of it happening to you. Australian scientist Dr. Darren Morton is the go-to expert on this. He did his Ph.D. on side stitches and has been involved in numerous studies. He says that stitches are more common in activities where you move your torso repetitively. This includes swimming, of course, but also running and horse riding. That is probably why in Mexico we call it horse pain, because you often get it while riding a horse. Dr. Darren says he's now 99% sure that what's really behind a stitch is an irritation of the membrane lining the abdominal cavity, which means that these two membranes are rubbing each other the wrong way. Normally, there's liquid in between these two layers, but you can increase the chances of getting a side stitch if your stomach is full or if you have weak core muscles. Of course, I would never think you still have weak core muscles after hearing me lecture of its importance for several skills and talents videos. Here are some tips to avoid getting side stitches. Stay hydrated with water or sports drinks, but avoid sugary drinks like soft drinks and fruit juices. Don't eat large volumes of food right before you go for a swim. Strengthen your core muscles. Grow older. Okay, you can't control your age, but it seems like people over 40 years old get side stitches less often. Although these tips may help you reduce the risk of getting a stitch, there is no guarantee that you won't get one. So, if you do get one, the best thing to do is to stop swimming for about 45 seconds to 2 minutes, and the pain will normally go away. You can also try deep breathing, pushing or pulling the affected area, or stretching. If you haven't seen our videos on the importance of core, check out this playlist here. If you are just scrolling through YouTube and don't even know how you ended up watching this video, just click on this subscribe button and don't ask too many questions. Thanks for watching. Swim fast!